Good day, everyone. Welcome back to our channel and welcome to another video where in today's one, we're taking a look at the Whop website. I'll be explaining to you guys how can you add a product, a first Whop on your store. So how can you design your store for a product? So let's jump right into it. So first of all, open up Whop on your web browser, log in with your preferred profile, and now you can either continue working on the Whop that you're already done, or you can click on New WAP and that way create a new WAP completely. The process is simply and exactly the same. So first of all, continue designing your store by clicking on this button right here. And to design it, on the right hand side, you can click on Edit Store, which will now give you some details to go off about media. So about adding your course and your product, for example, right here I put in that it's a marketing course. You will need to add a logo image, a description, and choose a category and upload media. So first of all, add a logo image, which will be the first heading to your product. Upload your logo image right here, type in your name, headline, and give your product a description. Now, this is pretty useful since you can catch attention of your users by adding a good description as well as the product logo. So make sure to keep an eye on that. For the category, for example, use social media. I mean, you can choose anything that's connected to the branch that you're working on. Call to action, you can either join, order now, purchase, depending on which one you're trying to sell and which business model are you using. And if you need a call to action customly, you can do it right here. For the checkout link, you'll paste your checkout link here if you've created it. And for the web visibility and other settings, you can set them right here. So click on save. And once you do it, you'll see your product being finished right here. So um, that's essentially it. That's the fast way to create your first product on your web store. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, leave it a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.